Welcome gourmands, I am Ishwari and I am glad to see you at the Smoothies Bar. Today we are making a healthy fruit snack that is crispy apple chips. Making your own apple chips is extremely easy and you don't even need a fancy dehydrator. And today I am going to show you the fastest way of making apple chips in just 6 minutes. Unlike store-bought apple chips, these crispy chips are baked right in the microwave instead of frying in the fattening oil. And with a simple sprinkle of cinnamon and syrup, they are bound to satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. These 5 ingredients apple chips are a perfect potato chips alternative and a guilt-free treat. They are just as tasty but way healthier. I promise your house will smell magnificent by the end, so watch the entire video. So without wasting time, let's learn how to make cinnamon apple chips for those extra snacky days. For the apple chips recipe, you will need 3 large apples, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/4 tsp ground cinnamon, lemon juice to prevent browning, and 1 pinch salt. I have washed the apples. I recommend using a sweet crisp apple for apple chips like Gala, Granny Smith, Mcintosh or Honeycrisp. For slicing the apples, you will need a very sharp knife or a Mandolin slicer. I have got this adjustable slicer on Amazon at a very cheaper rate. You can check the link in description box. You can click and buy it from there. It comes with the adjustable knob for the blade so that it can also act as a vegetable cutter and can be adjusted as per your need. It is very easy to use and easy to clean. It also comes with a stand for sturdiness. I have set the mandolin to 1/8 of an inch. It's very important to cut them in an even thickness to dry evenly. So I recommend using a mandolin slicer when possible. These apple chips are one of those things that you will want to make time and again once you see how simple and tasty they are. Hey, did you know apples had stars in them? You have to leave the seeds intact to get these stars in your apple chips. Look how amazing they are. Now to prevent browning, just add lemon juice and coat each apple nicely. And then add other ingredients as well. There are different options for making apple chips. They can be prepared in an air fryer, oven, microwave or dehydrator. You can check the description box to know how to make apple chips with these methods. Not only are these apple chips easy to make, but they are naturally sweet and totally addictive. And after one bite, you will be hovering over the pan too. They will disappear almost as quickly as you make them. So let's make it. Line a microwave safe plate with parchment paper. Place a few apple slices on this parchment paper in one single layer. Make sure they are not touching each other. We are going to microwave it for about 5 minutes or until the edges of apples start to curl up. Now after 5 minutes, let's check what is happening with the slices. Yes, they are curling up. Just take the plate out and flip each slice. Now continue to microwave for 1 more minute or until the edges are crisp. And done. Do you see this apple chip? There is a difference between browning and burning, so make sure they are not burning. So they are still soft. We will have to cool them at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes. Perfect. Now arrange them on the cooling rack and leave them for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can store these baked apple chips in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. If it becomes a little bit soggy, just microwave it for 30 seconds or a minute and it will retain its crisp texture. My favorite ways to enjoy these apple chips are chopped and sprinkled over yogurt with granola or on top of salads or oatmeal and of course right out of the container. If you try this healthy-ish, feel-good apple chips recipe, then don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. It helps others who are thinking of making this recipe. I would love to hear your experiences. I am loving it. It's your turn now. Thank you for watching this video. Eat clean.